Hello, it's Linda. How are you? And welcome to the Heartisan channel. And also, if you're ever interested in looking further, my Neutralizing with Love website, it's easy, www.neutralizingwithlove.com. Go over and have a look at what I do, because I use these Anahata codes, these beautiful heart library codes, alongside my other work. And my heart work, my own heart work, is assisting tired spiritual workers, tired coaches and healers to realign. I walk beside. I don't do anything to anyone. I just walk beside and align my magic with theirs. So the door is shinier for where they want to go next. And that's my work, very simplistically described. I love the magic that we can create when we open ourselves to the possibilities that are inside us. And our heart library is something we chose to bring with us for this journey. We wrote the library, we put all the resources that we need inside the library, and we hold them in our heart for when we need them. Don't go chasing them. Just when something shines out to you, like something shone to you to listen to this today. So when something shines out to you, follow the shine, and you will activate from that shine. When the shine dims, sit back. Don't not follow, but sit back and go, and then see. Don't judge, and follow the shine again. The other part that the heart library codes do is they neutralize things inside that you've parked in your library, that your brain has said, hold on to this because it's important. And it probably isn't. It's probably not important. And it's there as a bit of a burden inside all of your files. So sometimes a code that I activate with you is going to actually neutralize stuff with love inside your heart library. I hope that makes sense. And I was just holding on to this while I spoke. I don't know if you can see it, and I'm not very good at remembering the names of my crystal friends, but I carry green with me at the moment because I'm working more myself with the expansion of my heart library. So have a feel about what other friends from around you can involve in your journey. And that's me going way off track. So I'm going to come back to this and say, one more thing I wanted to ask actually is, if this inspires you, if this assists you in any way, can you support the channel by pressing like? And if you want to take the biggest step and subscribe, then do. But not if you don't know what we do or you don't understand what the work's about yet. But it would be great if you could support us a little, because then the algorithms help us as well. Anyway, I'm going to go now and bring in the recording of the green Tara just for you. And that way you don't have to look at my face while you do it. There'll just be music and loveliness. And have a beautiful, beautiful day. Mwah. And I'll see you soon. Hello, beautiful beings. How are you? And welcome to this Anahata Code Activation. Today, we're activating the code for Green Tara. She's known for compassion, long life, healing, and serenity. And her themes are, as I looked in my Google research, universal unity, peace, cooperation, destiny, energy, and spirituality. And that is just beautiful. And Tara means literally star. So let's activate this. Let's get this underway for you. And how are you sitting? Where are you sitting? Are you comfortable? Because that's the next thing. If we're going to activate Green Tara for you beautifully, you need to be hydrated, relaxed, and breathing steadily. So if you haven't got water handy and your body says, yes, I need some, then just stop the recording and go grab some water. Hydration is really important with this kind of work. And sit comfortably. You don't need to be lying down. Just sit in a chair. Pop your right hand over your heart chakra. And with your left hand, because this is the hand you're going to receive the activations through, and your right hand will land it in your heart chakra. So rest your elbow of your left hand on the arm of the chair or a table and palm up in receive mode, as if somebody was going to pop something flat in the palm of your hand. And be gentle. Breathe slowly and gently into the bottom of your lungs. Are you ready? We ask for, align with, and allow this beautiful Anahata Code. With gratitude and love, we activate the assisting frequency of the goddess Green Tara. 00121452998, 00121452998, 00121452998, 00121452998, 00121452998, 00121452998, 00121452998. Now place your left hand over your right. Take a deep breath in and whoosh that breath out. Take another deep breath in, and on the out breath say out loud, "It is done, it is so." And just stay with the energy, with your eyes closed and your hands over your heart chakra, while you feel it all land. I love you, and I'll leave you with the music. Bye for now.